What's up everyone, and welcome to MunibaInvests. On this channel, I will be helping you make smart investment choices by taking a deep dive into companies with massive upside potential. If you are ready to take the next step in your journey to financial freedom, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. This helps out the channel tremendously and tells YouTube to push this community to other like-minded investors. Before we start, I do want to mention that I have absolutely no affiliations with the company, and my analysis will be completely free from bias. The company we will be looking at today is Niu Technologies, ticker symbol NIU on the NASDAQ. It is currently trading at $37.36 as of May 2nd. I have been following the growth of this company for a while now, and with Cathie Wood adding to her already large position, it makes this the perfect time to pull the trigger on it. So what exactly does Niu Technologies do? Niu Technologies is a Chinese electric scooter company that was founded in 2014. Led by GGV Capital, it received $125 million in venture capital over several rounds of funding. Primarily targeting the Chinese market, Niu develops a range of electric scooters that are ideal for urban micromobility. China has become the biggest EV market, including both passenger vehicles as well as scooters, thanks to a range of supportive government policies designed to promote EV adoption that Niu is taking full advantage of. From the get-go, the company's main focus has been on providing quality scooters to consumers over the cheap scooter alternatives that are already on the Chinese market. The company differentiated itself by using lithium-ion batteries, as opposed to cheaper lead-acid alternatives. For investors, it is a massive green light when a company is willing to spend more money initially for a better, longer-lasting product. Looking into the company's profile, it is good to see that there are highly qualified individuals in charge of management. You have the CEO, Dr. Yan Li, who has been serving as the chairman of the board of directors since March 2018. From 2009 to 2015, he was principal at KKR Capstone Limited, while also overseeing the portfolio operations in China. With a great product and great leadership, the company had $300 million in revenue in 2019 and $130 million in 2020 Q4 alone. Full-year total volume of e-scooter sales have been up 42%, with full-year revenues of $470 million, up 17.7% year-over-year. Another key thing to note is that the company's full-year net income of $26 million, compared to the net income of $29.4 million in 2019. This is important because sometimes companies have massive sales in one year, are unable to match the performance, and then have horrible sales the next year. The fact that Niu is able to match their massive net income for 2 consecutive years shows that the company has taken a seat on the big boy table and is here to stay. Niu is already profitable with $31.9 million in adjusted profits last year. Total volume in the first quarter skyrocketed by 273% to reach nearly 150,000, driven by retail network expansion in China as well as increased marketing. Niu also has a rating of 59 from Investors Observer, putting it near the top of the auto manufacturers industry. In addition to scoring higher than 88% of stocks, Niu's 59 overall rating means the stock scores better than 59% of all stocks. Another reason Niu Technologies makes for a great investment is the backing of Cathie Wood. ARK sends out a daily email notification disclosing its trades, and the company's daily disclosures from Monday and Tuesday show that ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics scooped up an additional 90,964 shares of Niu so far this week, making ARK's total position of Niu at 2 million shares. Now, the question you guys might have is that, okay, the company has done great so far, but what makes you think it will have a bull run in the future? The reason I am bullish on this, and why Cathie Wood is as well, is because the company is looking forward to dominating the American and European EV market as well, just like they have done with the Chinese market. Niu has supplied scooters for several hire schemes. Revel Transit launched in New York City in 2019 with 1,000 new mopeds, since expanding to Austin and Miami. In 2021, Lime began a pilot program in Washington, D.C. and Paris. Niu has also introduced a handful of new models, including its first electric kick scooter that the company is planning on selling in the US and Europe. Niu expects total unit volumes to jump by another 50% to 83% in 2021 to reach a range of 900,000 to 1.1 million units. This is all very exciting news for investors. With very little competition and a huge head start, soon Niu could potentially become the standard EV scooter of choice, just like Tesla has done with EV cars. When that happens, Niu stock could have a massive bull run. Remember, the intent of this video was not financial advice, and is simply my analysis on the company and as to why I have invested my own money in it. I would highly recommend you all to do your own due diligence and not blindly invest into companies that you hear about on YouTube. And that wraps it up for today's video. If this video was helpful and gave you a good insight into Niu, make sure to press that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out a lot. Also, share your opinions on Niu in the comment section below. I would love to have a conversation with you all. Until next time, take care and keep investing.